to the Tot Show with me, Shruti and Neil.
We spoke about the Being Good segment. We start this one with the art event.
Titled Confluence, A Journey Within. This one featured the works of 16 young artists.
And this one happened at the Raffles Hotel in Dubai with some bold designs in portraiture, mosaic and photography.
This exhibition in Raffles Dubai is about the artwork from our 16 artists from Mawahib, from Beautiful People. The 16 artists, they have worked on a new collection artwork.
So we are showcasing the artworks done by all our artists at Mawahib, and we just want to show the world how talented all of them are.
Mawahib is a very unique organization doing something with a lot of passion and love, and the children really love it.
This event was organized by Mawahib.
And guess what? All these artworks will be displayed in an art gallery in Netherlands in September.
That's absolutely right.
And all the proceeds will go for a charity. You know, Shruti, अपने artwork को charity में देने के लिए ना बहुत बड़ा दिल होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह.
I know.
Actually, this is a small exhibition we are starting here, and with a thanks to the sponsors of providing us this space. The idea is to present the paintings and the artwork which will be going to Holland to participate within a bigger competition there and bigger exhibition. This exhibition actually will be held in September, 2nd of September, during this year.
अरे ये क्या श्रुति, सलमान खान का इवेंट इतना जल्दी अपने शो पे, अपना बॉलीवुड सेगमेंट कुछ जल्दी नहीं चालू हो गया?
In a way, yes. Well, we've all seen Salman's bratty side in the media, लेकिन ये बोलना पड़ेगा, बंदे का हार्ट ना एकदम गोल्ड का है.
इसलिए तो कहते हैं ना कि एक बार उसने जो कमिटमेंट कर दी, तो अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
And शायद इसीलिए he was in Dubai to launch his charity Being Human. इसीलिए तो कहते हैं, बंदा is totally rocking.
Welcome to the Tot Show, and this is Neil and Shruti with the man Salman Khan. Salman bhai, welcome to the Tot Show.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Pleasure. Salman bhai, we picked up these Being Human t-shirts right now. Splash mein jaake, and believing, love the collection. Outrightly amazing. Shruti had some point of view on that.
In fact, what happened was initially I used to go in Mumbai to pick one, but I could never really like the collection. But this time it has come out so well, so nice. Really love it.
Yeah, but we still haven't launched the ladies line yet.
I mean,
It's not there, but then I like the men's.
she borrowed mine.
Yeah.
All right. Now that we're talking about Being Human being launched in Dubai, is it your first international destination, or was Being Human launched?
We started off with France and Belgium, and now it's the Middle East.
Where next from here?
I think we just started with the t-shirts in Bombay initially. Now we're going to do the whole the clothing line in India.
Super. One thing that we were just discussing, that in India especially, we have a lot of duplicates available. So what are we doing to fight that?
So you can't beat them up. So we just,
Like muscles,
yeah, can't do it right now. I mean, that would be being human, but no, we're doing all these raids and stuff like that. We'll be putting people behind bars very soon. Karna padega bhi. Otherwise, it's no point.
True.
It beats the cause. I mean,
Absolutely.
I can understand that it's a big market and everything, but it's the wrong way to do these things.
True. Absolutely.
In fact, it's covering the cause, the right cause that we're doing it for.
It's the fans think it's the original stuff, and they buy it.
Yeah, the collection, I believe, is already a hit here. In fact, it's selling like hotcakes. It's all sold out around.
Apparently, yes, yeah. It's been a week, and I think they've all they've sold out.
Being Human also does a lot of fancy things. Like, we had all the Bollywood divas walking for Being Human in Mumbai. So something like that coming up for Dubai?
Yeah, now with the fashion shows, I mean, this fashion season is everybody's going to start. Now we have our own clothes, so
Right.
that ramsham walking shocking won't start soon.
So will we see an entire movie which is designed and dressed by Being Human? Since we have an entire collection.
Don't know, but I'm sure I will be wearing some of my stuff.
Lovely.
But yeah, a lot of actors are asking, you know, for them to wear Being Human stuff in their movies, which yeah, for sure.
Lovely.
One thing that we realized after, even though he wore the t-shirt, he wasn't really looking as fit as you. Like, see,
small one.
it's not filling.
अभी भी ढीला है
It's
तो बीइंग ह्यूमन के साथ बीइंग फिट कैसे होते हैं सर ये बता दो बीइंग ह्यूमन तो सब बन गए हम लोग बट बीइंग फिट
Being human now, but we're not really fit.
you're fit. Is good, yeah. I mean,
yeah this is being human by saying
गाड़ी
yeah
पेट्रोल डालोगे उतना दूर जाएगा.
But what really moved us is this. I mean, मैं सलमान का outright fan बन गया. I mean, पहले भी था, लेकिन अब थोड़ा
This is Salman's way of giving back all the love he receives from his audiences and fans.
at least he believes in giving it back.
मुझे समझ में आ गया नहीं कि अगर तुम एक आरजे नहीं होते तो पक्का सलमान खान होते.
Absolutely. In fact, सिर्फ सलमान खान नहीं. I would have been आमिर खान, शाहरुख खान, in fact अमिताभ बच्चन, अभिषेक बच्चन, इमरान हाशमी, हाशमी खान, इमरान खान, रणबीर कपूर, ऋषि कपूर, for that matter any कपूर.
बस करो यार. अब हमारा बॉलीवुड सेगमेंट शुरू क्या होने वाला है आफ्टर द ब्रेक. ये तो अभी से ही.
क्या कहा तुमने? बॉलीवुड?
हाँ और हॉलीवुड भी.
हॉलीवुड भी?
हाँ और वो भी.
वो कौन?
वो बताती हूँ आफ्टर द ब्रेक.
ब्रेक? Did I just hear a break? क्या टूटा?
होश में आ जा.